Okay, you just woke up this morning and you just saw a bunch of social medias, memes, articles everywhere just talking about threads. And I'm here to tell you what Threads is and my insight within the first 24 hours of using Threads and joining it. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jenny again, and today I bring you some special video on talking about Threads app. Okay, as you probably know by now, I am an app expert and I'm a lifestyle influencer and I work with decent amount of brands and have been in this industry for 5 years. Now, I've been only full-time for a year and a half, and before that time, I was working as a techie in UX world, as a strategist, and also have finance background. So based on my knowledge, my insight, my training, and experiences, I'm here to tell you what I think you should be doing for the next 30 days on Threads. So here are my quick do's and don'ts. Before we go through do's and don'ts, let's talk about Threads. So Threads is a social media app that was launched yesterday, July 5th. Now, if you're a millennial like me, then bear with me because I am catching my breath just trying to catch up with all these apps in the whole wide world, okay? I already started Instagram and I started that 5 years ago. I've been doing on and off YouTube. I've been, trying to catch up with TikTok and then Threads, what? Twitter, I gave up, okay? So Threads has the concept of Twitter, but trying to get better or going to get better. It's newer, it's shinier. So as of now, it works like Twitter where you write out characters. As of what I know so far, there's no character limits and you can post photos or videos. Once you post your threads, people are allowed to scroll horizontally and able to see what you post in each post or each threads. The whole idea is to create engagement, to create community, and as of 24 hours of joining, I already see the rapid growth and rapid fire growth, exponential growth of Threads community. I'm getting so many quick amount of followers. I signed up last night, really like just coming back from my birthday vacation and tired enough, but my boyfriend's like, okay, you need to sign up for this. So I signed up and he signed up for me on my phone. But so it's been only 24 hours, maybe less. And this is what I've learned so far. So creating community is really cool. I think there's definitely limited features and it was on purpose because obviously if you're also in the tech world and if you understand the tech world, it's all about implementation. And things about the implementation is that if you wait too long, then you miss out on the chances. So the whole reason why they didn't perfect this app from the start is so that you use it, they hear more feedback and they want to implement as they go so they don't spend all that money, okay? That is why it feels like it's kind of like Twitter but has limited features. It's intentional. With that said, within the 24 hours frame, I have been threading a lot, okay? Like random thoughts to calculated questions to GIFs and hashtags. I've been trying a lot of things. So here are a few tips that might could help you to get followers quickly as I have been seeing as a trend. Number one is to post. It doesn't matter where you start. So start posting, start writing out threads, whatever that thread is. So I started with what's on my mind and, just saying hi to having random thoughts here and there. And some people, it will eventually pick up. And please note that just because you put it on right now and you don't get likes right now, doesn't mean you won't get it tomorrow. Because I noticed that some of the things I wrote last night, like, okay, I'm gonna be dreaming about the Threads app. This morning or this even afternoon, I had people liking it. And I wrote good morning world and that was this morning, like 7 a.m. here in PST time. And I got replies back in the afternoon. So just note that it's not one time zone. So this is the whole world. Know that it's a growing app and it's gonna have more people coming. So just post. Number two, please engage with your audience. I don't do this enough on platforms sometimes, but this is a growing community. This is when you actually spend all your energy on replying and threading and creating. This is the golden market, okay? So if you're trying to get started as a content creator, try Threads. You know, maybe if you're already an influencer like me on Instagram, maybe branch out, okay? You're not late to the game. This app is not disappearing tomorrow, so it's launched. I would say get on it and build your strategy within 30 days because that's probably really gonna work right now, okay? Number 3, don't use hashtags. I had to try hashtags, okay? My brain is like filled with hashtags coming from an Instagram influencer and coming to grow and learning about hashtags, and this is what I've been doing for the past 5 years or so. So it's not hashtag based, but it is SEO based, which means that you should be using sentences and keywords that actually matter. So if you're trying to capture the audience, now's the time to do it. If you have a niche already, then capturing all those ideas. After this video, I'm actually gonna start doing that too, so just so you know. Number 4 is to try out different strategy. First of all, I would recommend trying with photos or videos, but maybe GIFs. GIF is a new thing for me, or more like, you know, in the corporate world, I use it for like Slack, but I haven't been using it anywhere else much, and I've been missing GIFs so much, and I'm not a big Twitter girl, so I've been throwing a lot of my GIFs on on Threads so far, and it's been pretty engaging. A lot of people interact with visuals, so even though it is word based or keywords based, you want to really capture them with images or videos as you can. And because the feature is horizontal scroll, I highly recommend you post more than one photo or one video at a time. Number 5, don't worry about your follower count at this point, okay? It was literally launched yesterday. Like, you need to calm down with counting your followers. I'm guilty of doing this because I'm so used to doing it, but I'm gonna stop. It's driving me crazy to keep going, refreshing. I'm like, oh, I have more followers. It is gonna grow if you keep using it. I mean, that's the whole point of the app. So if you want to grow your audience, keep using it instead of trying to count how many followers. You know, don't be really shady with following people. Just follow who you want, okay? And you know, here I am talking about Threads, and I only have what, 500-600 followers right now, but I know it's gonna grow more within 30 days. So for 30 days, I'm actually gonna try out different strategies. So if you want more tips and tricks, then watch my YouTube shorts because I'm gonna do more. I might do updated videos coming up, but yeah, you'll see. We'll see. Also, if you want to see what I've been doing on Threads, then follow me at jennybdoll, which is the same username as my YouTube channel as well as my Instagram. So there you go. For my app videos, usually what I do is I do a wish list. So I'll give you some of the wish list I hope that Threads implements in the future, which is having a DM feature, which is a really great feature that was implemented on Twitter as well as the Instagram has, right? Having a DM, having a group chat is also good, but I don't know, maybe they don't want to launch it yet because they want more open community, inclusive community, but eventually you do want a DM feature. I wish that hashtag could be working out soon because that's also a really good way to just be discoverable. I'm not sure if they will ever roll it out because some experts say that hashtag is dying out. Currently, some platforms hashtags do work. So I wouldn't completely dismiss it so far. My third wish implementation is that there's much more cohesive back and forth between Instagram and Threads. So I know this is probably gonna be rolled out in the future, and I hope that I get invited to be part of this interview or chats, you know, UX chats. So yeah, if you're watching this and you are for Threads or Meta or Instagram, please invite me. I would love to be part of that chat. Well, that's it for me for now. For the first 24 hours, we'll keep you updated on if there's any more upcoming tips and tricks that I could share. Till then, stay healthy and keep threading. See you there. Bye.